Hello everybody, Tracy here. I'm doing a visual update for you today on what Tamara and I are including and what projects we're making and stuff for Christmas Extravaganza 2025. I did send this information out in an email last Thursday, that's the 31st of July, to anybody who was registered or had registered in previous extravaganzas. So if you haven't either come to one before or registered for this one, then let me know and I will send you the email. But that's who the email went to. We also posted on both our pages, Tamara's Paper Trail and The Paper Pusher, and it's posted in the TNT page. So it's in a lot of places if you need it. I'm going to go through and tell you all of this stuff is written with the actual names from the catalog or from the online exclusive, so you know what it is. I'm just going to give you visuals so you can see what they are, and I'm going to explain if you want to make an upgrade, what's left to do. Okay? And excuse my printer, I don't know why the red is yellow. Because that's how technology and I roll. Okay, so for those of you who are already registered and have paid the $120 registration fee, nobody yet has paid more than the $120 registration fee. When you guys were registering, I did ask, do you intend to buy the bundle or do you intend to buy extra stuff? But none of that counts other than to give us an idea in our planning. Right now, everybody is just registered for the basic package. The basic package includes the Ornamental Christmas stamp set. Ornamental Christmas stamp set and the dies, I'll show you later, are part of the Modern Christmas suite. There is paper with this as well as some little golden hoops. You're also getting a full package, so 2 rolls, and this is actually called Black and White and Gold Baker's Twine. So 1 roll is white with gold thread, 1 is black with gold thread. You'll see this in use on the projects, but everybody's getting a full package of this. This suite did not come with embellishments, so I borrowed from the suite next door, and these are some sweet embellishments. These are called faceted snowflakes. I just can't do them justice on my camera. They're awesome. So those, you get a full package of those. When I expedited the order, I forgot to add the gold sentiments. So all I can show you is a sticky note that does not look anything like the actual product. The gold ephemera package, it's called Greetings for You. It has 6 sheets in it, 2 each of 3 designs. You guys are all getting 1 each of 3 designs. It is a lot of sentiments. They are white with gold lettering. And as far as I remember from looking at them, they're all holiday sentiments. Okay, so you're going to get those. Those will be in your sitting on the table for you when you get there. As well as all, I'm not showing you the paper because it doesn't really fit well on the camera, but you'll see it in use. As well as all of the things you need. So you will get the envelope, the cardstock, the die cuts, the whatever else you need to make 8 cards. Oh my god, I love this card, you guys. If I do say so myself. You're making 2 of this card. And I'm showing you some of the pieces that are coming in the thing. You're making 2 of this card with the loveliest paper. You're making 2 of this card. Not exactly this embossing folder though. I also never expedited the new embossing folder. So this is just an old one just to give you an idea. I don't even know if you can tell that this background is embossed. And 2 of this card. It's gorgeous, isn't it? I gotta tell you, not normally a gold person. Love, love, love this suite of products. So these are the 8 cards you're making. 2 each. How about I put it where you can see it? 2 each of these 4 designs. Plus the Ornamental Christmas stamp set. Plus the embellishments. Plus the twine. Plus the gold greetings that will look more like that. For those of you who are wondering, in the previous catalog there was a package called Greetings for Everyone that were white and black or black and white. The names sound very similar, but these are Greetings for You, and they are white with gold writing. Okay, so this is what everybody's getting. Boom, you're done. So all of you who have paid and registered at $120, you get everything you need to make these cards. Plus there's a bonus, but I'm going to show you that in a second. If you want to upgrade and you want to add the dies that go with this stamp set, there's the dies. I have used them on all of the cards because I really like them. We have a circle. That's not true. I didn't use that one. We have a circle, an ornament, a couple trees, the star. These little things, which there's two of there, are the ornament tops for the ornament. This one's a little bit buried in foliage. But I will also tell you that they work as tree stands. So there you go. So if you want to add on the dies, it is an extra $45. If you look in the catalog, you'll see that the dies cost $45. We are giving you the stuff, the upgrades. There's 3 different upgrade options. We're giving those to you at the catalog cost. We will eat the cost of shipping and tax. The reason we do, well, there's a few reasons we do that. One, we love these products and we want you to have as much stuff as you can, so when you're done, you can go home and make more. It also, for people that want to like see which ones we're using, this is what it is. It's also, though, because we can give it to you at a good deal. You can have it at the same time, so you're not ordering it later and waiting. But the main reason is the more we can upgrade, the bigger we can make the order, the more Stampin' rewards we get, the more door prizes we can buy. We like to give out door prizes. We like to have as many as possible. So again, the ornamental Christmas set, the stamp set, comes as part of your regular registration. It is only if you want to add in the dies that you need to send me $45. Okay? So send me a message. Do not do the registration form again, please. Just send me a message saying, please add the dies. If you just say the dies, I'll know which dies you're talking about. But these are the ornamental Christmas dies to my order, and then you send me $45. The deadline for registrations and upgrades is Tuesday, the 12th of August at noon. That is 4 days from now, I guess. Okay? Now, you notice when I made this little suite here, we had some of this lovely foliage and one of the cards. And this card has these great label dies on it. That came from this set called Branching Out. I love this set. Now, this ornament just needed foliage. And then once I had it, I had to use it twice, but because I love it. This is the set we used it from. This is a fantastic stamp set. Wishing you a day filled with many happy moments to a very special somebody, sent with lots of love. From our family to yours, thinking of you brings joy to my heart. I think any one of those could be used Christmas or throughout the year. There's also a happiest birthday wishes, a hello, and a friend. So this is not strictly a Christmas set. It also comes with the dies. How about them bad boys, huh? So these label dies, there is 6 of them, and they layer very nicely. And then here is the little bits and pieces that we used for the foliage. So if you would like to add, you don't have to get... Sorry, I was trying to get through this whole thing without coughing. You don't have to get the dies to get the next one. Like, it's not a you step up every time. If you want the dies, it's $45. If you don't want the dies, don't get the dies. If you would like to get this bundle, the next 2 we're just doing as a bundle. So if you'd like to get this bundle, I guess if you want just the dies, you can send me a message, but I can't tell you the price just off the top of my head. This is $70. That's catalog price. I think I got it backwards. Just a minute. I got it backwards. This one is the $65.50, sorry. So if you want this one, just send me a note saying I want the Branching Out bundle and send me $65.50. Oh, I'm going to tax myself now. If you want both of them, you want to add on the dies, plus you want this bundle, then you tell me that, and you send me $110.50. Look at me doing math in my head. Okay? If you want just the dies, $45, just the bundle, $65.50. Remember, all the other stuff comes with it. Now, because it is World Card Making Day, Stampin' Up! Told us at a demonstrator event in June that we would be using a specific bundle. Now, they haven't told us anything else since. But that didn't stop us. So we decided to add 2 more cards to the party and some more supplies to celebrate World Card Making Day. And we will have, God willing, the broadcast. They haven't told us the time yet. We're really hoping it's, a typical time and it will work. We will have the broadcast for World Card Making Day. I'm being such a tease here. Okay, see, I'm just stop talking for a moment now. Look at this paper. So we'll finalize the details, but regardless of anything else, we're making 2 cards using the Lights of Aurora suite. So yes, it comes with this awesome paper, which I'm not going to take all out because I'll end up with it everywhere. 12 by 12 is too big for my camera. This one at least is smaller. There is just a whole assortment of beautiful, beautiful paper in there. Okay, so we'll give you what you need to make your cards, a little bit left over to make some more. It has this set of adorable, I forgot what they're called for a minute there, frosted iridescent dots in very Northern Lights colors. You'll have what you need of those as well, some left over. This is ribbon. Totally forgot what it's called. It's balmy blue, and it is called sheer ribbon. So this is all part of the suite. So if you're looking on the suite page, it's all the same place. This ribbon is very blue, but you'll see once it's on the card, it's not as blue. It just looks darker in the roll. You'll have what you need of that as well. This is the stamp set that comes with it. It's called Light and Wonder. And there's many combinations to be had with this stamp set. There's a little and down here. There's love, light, wonder, and magic. May your day be filled with love and light. Wishing you a year of wonder and magic. Embrace the wonder. Embrace the love. And thank you. What is this? Your strength inspires me. You are a wonder. Like, you can mix and match to your heart's content. We'll have a bunch of extra labels, like just varying different sizes. If you want to use, we'll have our 2 sets there. So even if you don't buy them, you'll still be able to make the cards we're going to have out. Like, you don't have to buy the set, but wait till I show you the next part and see if you have the willpower to say no. So this is the dies. And the dies there's so much that I actually had to put little magnets on this side of my case just to get everything filled in. Now, you're looking at this and going, well, I'm glad you're impressed, Tracy, but it doesn't look like anything to me. And that's what I thought you might say. Bum, 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 bum. None of this is glued down, so I'm scared to spill it. But this is what those dies make. So they make 3 clouds. I made each layer a different color. Honestly, I'm not even 100% sure I got them right, but it makes sense to me. So those dies there will cut out mountains and more mountains. I think this one was maybe supposed to be white, so it looked like snow-capped mountains. And then some smaller trees. And then a wavy line, which I'm taking to be like the light prairie grass at the base of the trees. And then I think some water. And then the bigger trees, in the foreground, that everything looks bigger, right? So these are the dies, and it makes these amazing things. Excuse me. You also have the negative cuts, like from the tops of the dies, which you can use with a blending brush to make all sorts of different things. So yeah, fun will be had with those dies. So you do not have to buy any of this stuff. I am just telling you. Lights of Aurora Suite. Oh, amazing. And going to be used for the World Card Making Day project. What you will be making is these 2 cards. So again, we're going to have just some different, we're going to have just some different strips and sizes and different things so you can put some stuff down. But, oh my goodness, would you guys look at these cards. And you're making one in the heather and one in the navy. And you'll get to pick your own paper. They're all gorgeous. There's no way to go wrong with this paper. So, you'll make these 2 cards. And you'll make 2 of this card, 2 of this card, 2 of this card, and 2 of this card. $120, your registration includes that. It also includes this package, the greetings, the ephemera greetings, which, again, do not look like a sticky note in real life, and this stamp set. All of that comes. If you've paid your $120, you don't want anything extra, you are golden. If you would like to add the dies for Ornamental Christmas, they are $45. Tell me, Tracy, I would like the dies, and then send me $45. Same email as you sent the other money to. Just a minute, I have to move this stuff out of the way before I make a big mess. If you would like the branching out bundle, the awesome stamp set, and the great dies with the labels and the foliage, then tell me, Tracy, I would like the branching out bundle, and send me $65.50. And if you're asking for more than one thing, add those numbers together. If you would like the Light and Wonder bundle, I may have forgot to say it. This one is $70. That is this great stamp set and those great dies. Tracy, I would like the Light and Wonder bundle. Here's $70. Okay? We're going to take questions, I think, tomorrow at the end of Tamara's Live. So watch for that. If you need to email me a specific question, you can. The deadline, again, I'd like to show you my poster, but the red is not showing up, is the 12th of August. How about I make it show up for you? The deadline to register, because I know we had a couple of people who are waiting to see, is noon on Tuesday. Tracey can't write. 12th of August, and that's 2025 for those who are going to say I didn't put a year down. There we go. Okay, if you want to register, you want to upgrade, send me the message. If you have not registered yet, there's an actual registration link you need. Give me a message or Tamara a message. We will send you the link. Otherwise, do not go and do the link a second time. Just send me a message and send me some money. Okay? Cannot wait. You guys are so excited about this event. And now that we have stuff in our hands, we're just like, oh my God, make it come faster. And it will be here before you know it. Okay? Thanks, everybody. Cannot wait to see you and make some cards with you.